Hey, I'm Verena from Muse Storytelling, and our team does a lot of documentary and commercial films where we're working with real people and real events, so things change all the time. We have to stay proactive and light on our feet and ahead of the next thing. We like to call this ninja style of filmmaking. And as filmmaking ninjas, we need gear that allows us to be fast and flexible. One of the big pieces of gear that can really slow you down is lights. They can be a beast to pack, not to mention they weigh a lot. So a few years ago, after we got tired of lugging heavy bags all the way through the airport, we started searching for a perfect light with a small footprint, but high quality and easy to travel with. That's when we discovered Westcott's Flex Lights. The Flex Lights are literally the pinnacle of ninja filmmaking. They're light, easy to pack, and quick to assemble, and they are high quality light, a CRI of 95 and 98. Stay with us for the next few minutes, and we'll give you 3 reasons why we bring the Flex Lights with us on every shoot. Number 1, these lights are quite literally the most flexible lights in the industry and are super lightweight. We used to carry 3 bags of lighting equipment, but now we only travel with 1 bag for lights that weigh much less than 50 pounds. And the fact that they're flexible allows us to tape, clamp, Velcro, or mount them in places where other lights can't fit. Earlier this year, we were in a shoot in Chicago, and we were able to walk into a coffee shop and tape up a flex light in 15 minutes and film the scene. That's exactly what we want as a ninja filmmaker, fast and efficient. The second reason we love these lights is that we can take them anywhere in the world. The Flex Lights can handle 110 to 220 volts. In the past, we used to use traditional tungsten lights, and we'd go to Hong Kong and have to find new bulbs and power converters. And even then, you're still at risk of blowing a bulb. But with Flex Lights, we just need a converter. We're able to be more flexible in our travel, and regardless of the current, we're safe to shoot in slow motion without a flicker. With just 1 kit, we never have to worry if our lights are going to work or not. And number 3, these lights have a lot of versatility in color. We love to tell authentic stories with real people, so we like to embrace natural light. We're often using light from a window and use the 2x2 flex to augment the sun to make the scene feel authentic and natural. We also have the 1x1 and a 2x1 with a bicolor range of 2800 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin output, so they can adapt if we are filming inside or if we need to add color to the background. And now with the Flex City line, we can dial in red, green, and other colors. We have 1 kit that can light B-roll scenes and add accents and other details. You don't need a truckload of expensive lights to make your story come to life, and you especially don't need heavy and bulky lights when you're a small team. While the Flex Lights are at a higher price point, these lights are on top of their line and provide you with a premium, high-quality light that has a lifetime warranty. We recommend Flex Lights for any ninja filmmaker who travels often and needs to be light on their feet.